What's up guys, we're back. We got another week of what's in the shop here in Sarasota. Sharkey's detailing tint. As you can see, we got some fun stuff going on this week, really matching the company's color theme. But we're not gonna have too many cars to show you guys around because we have, this car is a big project. It's gonna be a full body PPF job. And then we have a few other big projects coming in. So not a lot of actual different cars, but a lot of big projects going on. Let me walk you around what we're doing with this one. This is a C7 Corvette. This is a 2019, it was the last year they made this car. And what we are going to be doing is full body PPF. We are going to be changing the badges all to black. And then we're also gonna be doing window tint on the sides, rear, and windshield, get all that glass a little bit darker and get it protected from the Florida sun. That's the main thing everyone cares about down here. Rightfully so. But this is this really nice color. They didn't make a ton of these in the blue color, which is my personal favorite, but I'm a big fan of blue, as you can see. This is the Grand Sport model, so it looks really nice. It has these bigger brakes, and I really like they have the red calipers along with the red and the Grand Sport logos right there. And then on the new black badges that we'll be getting, they will still look exactly like this, except the chrome will be replaced with black. So we'll still have a touch of red going on right there. So it's Monday morning, we're gonna be getting started with this, and let's show you what's next up on the schedule. Here we are with another project. This is a brand new Cadillac CT5-V, and we are doing window tint on the sides, rear, and windshield. This car is getting 20% all around, not on the windshield, on the sides and rear. 20% would be way too dark on the windshield. But we're doing the tint, we got the back window done and the rest cut out and ready to go. And then here is a quick update on the C7. So we got all the badges removed, as you can see. We are working our way around the car. We got this side pretty much all done. We are working on getting the other side done. But this car is gonna look, it's gonna look amazing. The good thing is with it only having, this has 1,500 original miles, so the paint is pretty much fully brand new. And then over here are the badges that we'll be putting on the car. Much better than the chrome in my opinion. I love black badges on a black car, especially with black rims. So I think these are gonna look really sick once everything is installed. We're gonna get this Cadillac finished up and tinted, and then you might be seeing this back for some ceramic coating and PPF, so keep an eye out for that. Here we are with the last car of the week, C8 Corvette. This is a 2023. He did have tint on the windshield and front sides that we removed. It wasn't dark enough. And it also, he didn't feel like the heat rejection was enough as well. So we are in the process of getting this car tinted. We're gonna be doing 5% on the back window here, and then we have 20% on the front sides. Also, let's just take a second here to appreciate this interior. This looks really, really nice with the white on the light gray on the outside of the car. This is almost like a greenish gray. I guess it depends who you ask. But it's a really nice color. We still have the C7 in here. We're coming along pretty much almost done on this one. Not much left to do on the C7. It's pretty much done. Same here with the C8, probably about an hour left. Here's the final product. Now this looks way better. It came in looking pretty much like a fishbowl, so this is just way better looking overall. This is pretty much our most popular option for the sides. It's gonna be 20%. It's a great balance between having limo tint is obviously really dark, and then 35 is pretty light, so 20% is usually the happy in between. And that sums it up for another week's What's in the Shop. We have the C7 here getting picked up on Monday. All the other cars are gone. And then this owner will actually be dropping off his second car, which is an Audi RS6 in all black. So we're gonna be doing full body PPF on that next week, and then we got loads of other fun projects going on. So tune in for that episode. Thanks for watching, guys.